You can do it lah. You try to do it yourself. Try to get the answer. I want to see what you have found. Okay? So you see my PowerPoint slide? Just one slide. I have just the important announcement. I have the important announcement. Please remind, I want the university or myself, I would like to get the feedback. Okay, I would like to get your feedback on the evaluations on this subject. For those who have not done, please, I don't know how long you need to take, 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, the deadline for all the subject, I think all the subject by 20th June, if not mistaken, 20th June. Okay, so the other things, the replacement class, some of you already asked, hey, when you want me to replace? I say, wait, I want to discuss with you guys first. Later, I fix one date, then everyone cannot, right? You have class, then you have replacement. You cannot make it. You don't like that time, too early, 8 o'clock. Okay. Any idea? Of course not. We are not going to discuss today because I still need to meet workshop 1, workshop 3, right? Workshop 2, and then some students who are not in the class. So we will discuss and finalize the replacement date by next week Tuesday. I really apologize. I really apologize for canceling the class. I don't like to cancel the class, but I cannot do the class from the hospital, right? Okay. Any date you prefer? I'm okay on Monday afternoon, Thursday afternoon, and Friday afternoon. This will be on next week lah. Okay, not this week. You guys can reply and type anything in the chat box so that I can get what is your plan. How's your presentation? How's your presentation? Video? So the submission is this Friday. Where? Submit where? King Siu. Okay, you want Friday afternoon, okay? So your video submission, submit at Elen. Every one of you submit at Elen. No need lah. You already submit one already, right? No need, no need. As long as I can see your photo in whenever you present that slide, whenever you present that particular slide 1 or slide 2, the speaker who present on that page, make sure you are on there lah. Your video is there. But if you want to take a good photo and put it for your slide design or your decoration, up to you. You want to put any picture also no problem, but don't affect the overall presentation quality. Okay, and then some of you come back to me that, hey, my PowerPoint slide is too big size. I cannot upload. Try to upload the PowerPoint slide without video effect. Lila, are you okay after you remove the video effect? Is it better? Can upload without video? Very good, The file reduced already, right? Don't worry, the PowerPoint slide, right? I just want to see your content so that, I have two options. The video, the presentation video, I just want to see your presentation skill, your flow, your confidence, your presentable presentation, your understanding. The slide with video effect so that I can, Just click and screen through to see the content. Just another presentation layout report. I don't think that you want full report. I hope this PowerPoint slide will reduce your workload. Okay, I hope this PowerPoint slide will reduce your workload. Don't need to write a full with Turnitin paragraph. PowerPoint slide is more flexible and more creative way and at your own style. Okay, as long as I can see your presentation skill and your PowerPoint design skill also there. Your flow, okay, how you put the thing, how you understand. I think you guys are very good on that. Any questions on the announcement? Okay, so make sure you have try your best to put your political, social, economy, environment, your limitation of study, risks and challenges. Okay or not? Okay, so one of you say Friday afternoon. Okay, never mind. We will see. If no objection, nobody object, nobody reject, then I'm okay on Friday afternoon. I share the PDF file. I share one of the PDF file on the chat box early today. Do you receive the PDF? Then this is the screenshot. You can see I'm sharing the screen. This is the article for week 11 workshop. Okay, the title is Human Resource, Job Design and Work Measurement. So today we are going to discuss 3 topics. And this is the classroom participation activity. We have one first article, the second one, and I will put 3 articles here. Okay, so this is the last participation activity. Last one, the 5th one. Okay, I hope you guys can participate on the last one and get your participation mark. Is that okay? Doesn't matter your answer is right or wrong. Try to relate to operation management and try to relate to this topic related to work, related to job design. That's what we have learned on last week's lecture. Okay, let's go through this article first. It's just saying that this factory in New York, because there's a let me see. Okay, so the factory in New York got fire. Okay, so 146 workers died. Okay, so you see that workplace is very important. Can you imagine that you are one of the workers, either you are the manager or you are the supplier or you are the contractor, okay, or you are the owner of the factory. Maybe, who knows, you come up with your own product, design, your own brand. Then it's a big loss, okay, if some workplace fire happen. So we talk about occupational safety and health, which you learn on your management and your human resource. But we want to relate and link this one to operation management. How do you can do prevention? Okay, because this is impact on the operation costing, whether you want to do recovery, resetting. If let's say everyone resign because too many injury, work stress, everyone resign, and then you have to keep training, rehired, or accident happen, then you have to send them for medical treatment and so on. Okay, so if you see the picture here, I'm so sorry, I shrink the photo to small size, but I hope I can read it for you. This is for fishing, agriculture. You see all the tree, okay, or hunting, those jungle work lah, fishing and all these things, agriculture. So this is, I think, according to New York. In 2013, people die when you work outside, outdoor. Accident, things collapse. This one is you cannot avoid. You cannot avoid. But you have to be careful lah, your observations, right? And then what you hear, what you see, you know how to avoid accordingly. Okay, of course you cannot don't go out and work after 8 o'clock p.m. It's dark already. What's the point you go out and work in the forest and tree? You have the limitation of time. That's why you see most of the like zoo, right? Of the fishing pond, agriculture, fishing, they stop their work like 4 or 5, right? Because they want to take care of the safety. Suddenly, in case of heavy raining or sky become dark already, so you need to do all this policy setting in your operation department. The second thing is the manufacturing machine. Either your machine, your layout arranged too close, or you make it too fast. This is all under your operation decisions. Okay, and then this one is the construction. You fell down from the construction, not you jump down and commit suicide. Huh? This is construction, you fell down. Okay, either it's slippery or the big items, okay, fell down, and you are under the machine. Why the layout is so careless? It's not safe positions. Okay, this one is transportation and warehouse, where you have those road accidents, warehouse item, you put it too high, or your lighting is not enough, your machine, your equipment. Okay, this one I would say that this is work stress, professional and business service. Imagine you work for 24 hours, or you have a very high KPI, okay, and then you have few projects, and then no assistant, no teamwork. You do everything by yourself. If you need a rest, please rest. If you need a counseling session, or you really need to quit the job, just go ahead. Nobody will force you. Okay, maybe you quit the job, you're more happy. Change another working environment. Nothing goes wrong. Okay, so why this? Just to have an open discussion. Okay, why this workplace safety is related to operation management? Anyone you want to have some? Why this safety you need to consider in your operation? Please put any of your talk. Everyone must participate. You can, here got 3 articles. Okay, let me read. Yes, costing, performance, yes, customer safety. You all repeat the same answer. Any others? Okay, I want to read this. Yeah, your productivity. If too many accidents, your production stop, you know. If too many accidents, then you keep investigate. your production stop. You have to close down the factory. Then how you want to send the your product, your shipment? Yes, you have law case. You have to court case. And then what else? That's it. No other question, no other answer already. You cannot think others. Work, okay? Work peacefully. Yeah, other like you work, you have to look up, right and left. Hey, this thing will fall down or not? Labor will feel stress. Yeah, labor turnover, very good word. Nobody want to work in a dangerous place. Correct, Sean? And then those skillful people, okay, you need to consider about the warehouse, layout, stress, pain, costing, awareness, injury. How about if let's say you admitted to hospital and then you have family? Okay, once you have the short-term recovery, they won't mind. Discharge, then okay already. Okay, and then yeah lah, nobody want scared, very worried, don't want to go to work. Okay, so what is the relationship between economic and the workplace safety? What is the relationship? If let's say the chair or your office chair is not comfortable, too high or too low or too small, how is your productivity? How is your productivity? Workplace safety? Maybe you injured your back. Do you agree? You injure your back. You managed to find any Google, any answer? Oh, yes, comfortable. Whether your positions, okay, bad design can cause discomfort. Okay, good keywords. Yeah, adapting. Different company, different style. Different company, different uh, work culture also. Okay, gun, ideal time increase. Dissatisfactions it also increase. You are not happy with that. Even some of the PPE you have also have female size or male size also. Even the equipment, manage control, you still need to have to fit on the individual body so that they can focus and make the correct decisions. Right? Yeah, don't do forcing, correct. We don't want to do forcing the person. Then at the end, the person feel more tired after doing the job. And your body is in the office, but your soul and your heart is somewhere else. You won't stay long in the company. Okay, OSHA is occupational safety, health, Do you have any mental issue? Do you think that you have any mentally issue if you have the wrong long-term no exercise? Oh yeah, company commitment? Yes, singing, correct. It's like how company invest on the expensive chair and take care of you. It's a company effort. Your management, that's why your top-down strategy. Remember, you learned about this top-down strategy. I see some of you, you write your assignment report, you don't know what is top-down and bottom-up. Okay, let's go to the second questions. I think maybe this one you're more interested on this. Walmart. Walmart, he said that pay more salary to the employee, so employee will increase the productivity. Do you agree or not? Let's go through the article. Walmart discover that employer maybe want to consider and do the research. Maybe you need to get the proper worker. At first, you get the proper worker, okay, so that you can convince, encourage them to perform better. I mean, you pay higher than the market rate. What is the standard market salary that you're willing to work now? Maybe you share with me how much you will accept a job. 5,000, 4,000, or you willing to accept a job with 2,500? Enough for your expenditure or not? Expenses or not? Okay, there is the evidence. Okay, in this company, okay, higher pay in the police department, the police will be more motivated to settle all the case in the police station. Not corruption, I'm not talking about corruption. Okay, so in the San Francisco airport, higher pay, okay, they will do the work faster, sorting out the luggage, passenger, more happy, employee happy. Okay, even you pay higher for the special care provider. So they pay more focused attention to the senior citizen. So now we move the higher pay to supermarket or retail. Okay, retail. So shopper go for shopping at the reception, the storekeeper, okay, the cashier, the security guard, the supplier. Only 16% of the retail operator, they meet the customer service goal, which means the retail actually they still underpaid. You want to be efficient, okay? You want to sell multinational customer item product. You want to treat your employee pay as usually they want to minimize the cost, right? Your employer, they want to minimize, so they pay at minimum and enough to meet your satisfaction, or they should pay higher. We call it as efficient wages, so you are more productive, right? So Walmart at first they plan to have these 200 of training center, so they make sure all the management people, okay, they give training first. At first, they train and teach you how to do the proper job. And then they pay you. Before that, maybe they pay, okay, you see, they only pay $10 for the normal general worker. And they paid $15 Previously only $12, and then they pay $15. Okay, so do you think it's enough or they should pay higher? So your discussion, what is the pro and cons of efficiency wages? Tell me, what is the advantage and disadvantage of good pay salary for your opinion? Wow, you guys already stand by your answer. Let me read first. I'll pick a few to read. So to meet the organization demand, the employee can continue to serve the customer. Okay, employee will not want to resign, right? So increase the retention. Very good. And you manage to good. When you pay higher, you have your selection. You want to go for more qualified employee because the employee can do multitasking. Right? So the employee can do more. You give more. I'm not to say that you are pushing and forcing the employee to do more. Okay, now I pay you 10,000, so you need to do 3% job. You're also not happy with that, right? Suddenly with 3 row, you need to do 3 row. But at least the person is skillful, knowledgeable, motivated, and able to make decisions. Yes, you Lily, employee are more loyal. Very good. And they won't think to do unethical practice. They will be loyal and they will know, they will take care of the company now. Yes, the company profit will be maintained, become the positive, not the negative one, because they try to work hard. He or she will think, if do a better one, so company earn money. Okay, you pay higher to the employee happy. Okay, then your company profit increase because you go by business volume. So your employee will continue do a better one because he or she expect a more salary and more bonus in return. Yes, correct, Keng Siu. So the employee will be responsible, less mistake. When you have less mistake, you have no need to have like refund, repair, right? Repair, refund. This cost is more even higher. This cost is higher. Keng Siu, your answer is correct. Yeah, Ritong, you say loyalty, very good. Determination, yes. What do you mean by bargaining practice? Jasmine, what do you mean by bargaining practice? Li Feng, what do you mean by settle the fee of the company problem? Electrical. So you think that they pay you they work longer hour and then you pay more telecom what TMB bill, is it? Oh yeah, correct, Yok Tian. If you pay more to hire to the employee, you make the employee feel stressed also, Serious. If you pay double, triple, so employee say he need to commit 100% correct, error free, 0% error. Sometimes you feel stressed on that. You scared to make mistake. You scared to make mistake, and then you will make a feel that you got terminated. I'm not sure whether you feel that or not. You just don't care lah. Okay. So what do you think that if Walmart want to increase the salary, is there any impact or effect to others retail industry? Now you do comparison. Now Walmart increase the labor salary. So the pricing of Walmart also increase. Okay. How about the comparison with others? Oh yo, Xi Qian, jump ship. I like the word jump ship. Straightforward. Otherwise, yeah, correct. Xi Qian. Otherwise, nobody want to work with competitor. Everyone just want to go for Walmart. Wei Yang, how the wages the affect to the whole industry? Like Xi Qian, he give the very straightforward answer. And Gabriel, yes, they will say, hey, Walmart already pay me 3,000 for working in the supermarket or like that. But why Aeon still pay me 1,000? They will make a comparison. They will have less interest to work in the others competitor. Yes, with higher salary, we will attract more people to join. How about the costing? The entire retail industry, the costing. Yeah, now your retail more expensive, huh? No more answer already. You all answer already. Give up. Yes. Now Walmart have a higher cost. It's a very risk. The risk is there and the challenge is there. When you have higher cost, your profit margin becomes minimum. Yes, ICA, very good. Because consumer expect a low price. It's very difficult, you know. You want to pay higher to the employee and then you want to sell cheap price, cheap item. How do you want to balance? Otherwise, employee also not happy to work. How? ICA? Very difficult, right? You want to make the employee happy, but you still want to sell the cheap, minimize. Otherwise, nobody want to buy Walmart item. Okay. So this is another Walmart issue, but talking about supplier treatment. This is to say that Walmart give pressure. Walmart come up with a new company policy. This is the Walmart top management decisions. They want to be like that. So they want all the supplier to submit their audit report. Okay? That what they want. They want the audit document to show that their supplier worker are having a good, safe working condition. If you notice, when you go through in your future working place or you have done your internship, some of the company, they request their supplier, they will visit first. They will have random visit. Never tell one. They will visit your factory. Let's say you're a supplier on the garment, you're a supplier on the cloth or laptop casing, okay, or ink or boxes, okay. Then they will suddenly spot check. Of course, it's better you submit your audit report first. You show picture, you show your staff uniform and all this to you want to make sure the supplier worker in a good condition, happy. The turnover rate, how many male, how many female, do you hire any OKU or not? They want all this audit report. Okay, because in certain country, it says here the Bangladeshi labor complained that some of the factory, their goods, their quality is good, right? The quality is good, but then the people who work, the person who work behind the job, they have a very bad working environment. Okay, so the question is here, but let me finish the sentence first. So because of this strict requirement, Walmart have successfully become the world leader because they have come up with this policy to reduce the packaging and sustainability for human rights issue. Okay, what do you think if Walmart let's say you are the supplier for Walmart? Do you think you agree with Walmart or not? To check on the human rights issue. Don't do hiding one. Otherwise, Walmart asks you to supply A, B, C, D item, but then you pay a very low or you don't have a proper working condition in your own factory. Any answer? Do you think that why Walmart? Yeah, the question here is why Walmart oppose reporting on human rights issue? Anyone who haven't answered your class participation? Protect whose? Which party interests? Hmm? CSR? Yeah, okay. I know, human right. Do you think that they should report or not report? What do you think? Okay, and Dục Thiên, you say ethical? Yes. Demonstrations. The company reputation also. Otherwise, nobody want to work already. Why not? So, question number 2. How this compare with company sustainability? sustainability for long-term survival lah. They can survive or not? If let's say you take care of the supplier, you take care of the worker, how this to sustain for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? The operation sustainability. This is the last question already. Yeah, yes. How Walmart can sustain? You don't really get the answer, the questions. If let's say Walmart insists on the supplier to have reporting their worker working condition, that is sometimes you request you want to do visiting to your supplier office. You make sure this supplier existent and they provide a good working condition to their worker. Okay, so do you think that this is a good sustainability for the Walmart and the supplier? And how? Can you get some idea? Nobody want to. None of you cannot get the answer. Yes, Walmart can understand how they complete the task. Is it safe to eat or not? Safe to use or not? Yeah, this is sustained one, so that the Walmart can trust the supplier. Yes, so Walmart is safe. Walmart is safe. And then the supplier also safe. No court issue. The employer won't go and sue you. Yes, correct. Walmart can take action if any misconduct on affecting, influencing the employee welfare. You don't want to have a supplier talk nicely to you. Hey, this is the best quality in the world. You know, I have the ISO, and then this machine can run how many machine and then produce. But then when you're visiting, wow, so good Then the supplier insists want to do demonstrations in your office. But you can ask, never mind, don't bring over to me. I will visit your factory. You see, Lila, now we are not just only relying on the surface presentation. You can actually visit to the supplier or the contractor office. Then they will feel scared. You take seriously on the quality. Yeah. You take, and then you know this supplier is not bullshitting there. Otherwise, they say they never use. Let's say you said like, okay, this is a halal food. How you sure this is halal? You visit you visit the plant and then you check their audit, what material you use, how they make sure this is a halal procedure. I'm sure that those like Jakim, they have those halal steps. I got this information sharing from my friend also. Yes, public interest, correct. Because the supplier will know all the quality. If you buy from Walmart, they already check with all the supplier good quality. You get more customer. Yeah, so you guys get what it means, You get more customer, you get more trust. Okay, so you are you feel reliable to use that product for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Because you know their supplier is good. You can even do a video to show that your client. This is just an example of Walmart. Okay, but you still have others industry, the choice. Those who are in McDonald's lah, IKEA, Nestle, right? Those who are in Korea industry, those who are in saloon industry, massage, education. Okay, let's say in the education industry. Okay, I give an example. Okay, in Sunway University, before you come in, right? Of course, we will promote, and then we will say the lecturer is good. Okay, the facility is good. So how do you make sure that? How do you make sure that it's reliable? You come and see and witness by yourself. Okay. So Ryan, I want a pure original PowerPoint slide. I want pure original PowerPoint slide. Don't send PDF file. And then you put your link on the cover page. I already mentioned this one in the briefing video. Ryan, you didn't pay attention on the class, is it? Or you miss it? Or you don't understand what I said? Don't send PDF, huh, Ryan? Huh? Mei-Xing? Okay, Mei-Xing, everything, your entire assignment is you link to operation management, you link to your assignment one. So what is the risk and challenges from your company and your product? And you give recommendation, you give suggestion. Any suggestion you want to change the shape of the product, you want to change the services, you add on. So you can be creative and do your own creative way. Mei-Xing, on the recommendation, you can do anything, but you try to relate to operation management. Don't give me the marketing strategy, those accounting theory, but try to give related to what you have learned for location, layout, productivity, design, satisfaction, work measurement, etc. All this. Okay, Mei-Xing, Ryan, don't send PDF, huh? Okay. Okay. I give you the eye checking code for your today class. Is that okay? Any more question for your presentation? You haven't done your assignment yet, ah? You can see the eye checking code. So I hope you guys at least answer all. If you can answer all, would be good to show that you are really active in the class. Anyone you want me to do check-in for you? Any one of you have any issue with your iZone or check-in? Sure? You guys haven't done your assignment yet, ah? Still asking. Huh? So your replacement class, how, ah? Replacement class, you guys want Friday, ah? I'm talking about lecture class, huh? I'm talking about lecture class. I don't think that you want to do on the same day, Tuesday. Your class already there. 1 to 3. I don't think that you want to see me 2 times in one day, right? Huh? You don't mind? But my mouth will be very painful, you know. Keep talking, keep talking. I don't know lah. Later you will fall asleep. So you guys already done your eye check-in, then the class. Gabriel, you want Friday? Thursday? What time? Thursday after 2 lah. Friday also after 2 p.m. We will not decide yet, but we just discussion. If let's say Friday after 2 p.m. or Thursday after 2 p.m., you will fall asleep or not? Shania, you have class. Then if I do Friday morning, Thursday 2 o'clock. Shania, Thursday 2 o'clock. Boleh? Tak boleh? Can ah? Okay ah. So KIV Thursday. So I will discuss again. I will announce it. We will do. Don't worry, Yok Tian. We will meet again on. No. Not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. This is the lecture class, right? So I will do the discussion on the next week, Tuesday lecture class. Then we decide again. If everyone okay, then we will do the replacement class on Thursday. I don't want just suddenly announce and then do the replacement. It's unfair to you guys. Some of you are still blur, sleeping, or some of you not attending the class. Right? We take some time to do the replacement. Can? Because the topic is very important for your final exam. So I want to do a proper lecture class so that you can answer well in your final exam. Okay? So see you guys on those who are attending my tutorial class. I'll see you on Thursday tutorial class. And if you are not on my tutorial class, I'll see you on next week lecture class. Next week lecture class, I don't want to do any cancellation. We will do as per schedule time. Bye-bye. See you guys. Take care. Submit your assignment. No problem already. Thank you for attending the class. Don't forget the subject evaluation. Okay. Bye-bye.